Fuquay Varina, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are looking for expert pressure washing in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about selecting a trusted contractor, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. We power wash driveways, sidewalks, and patios to protect your home's foundation and prevent costly repairs from water damage in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina's humid climate every summer. Our team expertly cleans exterior surfaces, removing dirt, grime, and mildew that can harbor mold and mildew growth on homes and businesses in the Tri-Country area of NC. We specialize in cleaning tuff stains and rust spots caused by vehicles, pets, and outdoor furniture, restoring your property's curb appeal and resale value in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina neighborhoods. To ensure complete customer satisfaction, our technicians use eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for people, pets, and the environment, giving homeowners peace of mind during the cleaning process. Regular power washing maintains property values by preventing exterior damage from mildew, mold, and algae growth on homes and businesses in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina's climate zones. We understand that pressure washing is a big job, but with us, you don't have to lift a finger. We handle all the heavy lifting so you can sit back and relax. Our team takes pride in being on time, every time, because we know how much you value your time and trust us with your property. We show up ready to work. By choosing our pressure washing services, you're supporting local businesses that care about this community. We're proud to serve Fuquay Varina, NC residents like you. Professional pressure washing removes dirt, grime, and stubborn stains from surfaces, restoring their original appearance and extending their lifespan, making it a convenient and effective solution for homes and businesses. If you're looking for pressure washing in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and affordable solutions to get your property looking its best. Click the link below to learn more.